This is pretty simple. Come in closer. This car, we'll probably save this because for some reason we tear up twice as many rights as left. Takes a 1/2 inch socket or 13 millimeter. They're interchangeable. And there's a nut on this side. Come around. There's a nut on this side. This is the lock that holds it into place. Once you pop that off, loosen that up a little bit, and push it around, then that'll come off. Now, if the footrest is good, and I should have taken it off before I did, I can use this footrest again and just replace one of the footrests that are no longer black. Easy just to pop that off this part. We'll discard, we may or may not use that again. In this case, we'll take a new one. Watching this. Just put the two on thusly. That's a little loose there. So let's tighten that up. If you can get a close up of that. That bottom one is a little loose. So if we'll take it takes an 11 millimeter and tighten it up with our 11 millimeter. Now it's tight. That one's a little loose too, so maybe we can tighten that up on the bottom. Much more better. Probably advance it pretty good because, right? Pull those. Put the swing away lock on. A couple of twists to lock it. All hands together. This is what they called us about, what we can see. Now we just go right into the inspection. One thing, this is a little loose. So we tighten it there. So that's fine. This is good. There's no real lateral play on that, but we're missing one caster cap, so we're going to need that. The brakes and wheels are good. We got 8 screws. 1, 2, there is a screw there. It's hard to see, but because it's just a different color. These screws are all in place. So, upright. You'll notice that both black cards are good. The armrests are good. We got rubber on the back, rubber everywhere it's supposed to be. The pole is not rusty. Looks pretty good. So we'll call this one clean. And you can stop the